The world needs protected areas to help conserve rare and endangered species that are losing their habitats. Protected areas provide important global, national and local benefits such as conserving biodiversity, acting as a sink for carbon dioxide and providing clean water flows. By 2020, it's expected that 17% of the world's terrestrial area and 10% of coastal and marine areas will be conserved in protected areas of some kind. However, the growth of protected areas will increasingly impact local communities. Practices such as shifting cultivation, grazing livestock, and hunting and gathering food can all be affected. Local communities can often come into conflict with wildlife. Protected species such as monkeys or elephants can destroy crops, and local people can be injured or killed. In some cases, this growth of protected areas has caused people to be evicted from a protected area or prevented from accessing it for culturally important activities. Frequently, local people may not be properly consulted about the boundaries of the protected area and have very little involvement in management decisions. When compensation is provided, for example through development projects or tourist revenues, often it is too late and does not reach those who need it the most. To tackle the injustices caused by protected areas, an equity framework has been developed which can help to avoid the injustices caused by protected areas, whether it's governments, environmental NGOs, or communities themselves that manage these. Research funded by the Ecosystem Services for Poverty Alleviation Program has developed the framework which has 3 dimensions: recognition, procedure, and distribution. Recognition describes respecting the rights and values of local people. This can be particularly important for indigenous people who may lack the opportunities to make their voices heard. Procedure means ensuring that all relevant people are involved in the decision-making process regarding issues that affect them, with mechanisms in place to resolve any disputes. Distribution involves mitigating the negative impacts of protected areas and sharing out the benefits fairly. In Kenya, managers of one protected area have upgraded fences to stop baboons getting into farmers' fields. They established a transparent process to distribute benefits to communities more fairly through community projects, and they introduced a democratic system of electing community representatives to work with them. Applying the framework can improve the management effectiveness of protected areas, with local populations more likely to support interventions if they consider them to be equitable. The equity framework can help ensure that protected areas are governed effectively and equitably, delivering benefits to both the local and the global community.